Introducing the Light & Go Cordless Steam Iron from Black+Decker. With no power cord, there's nothing to slow you down or get in your way. The lights on the charging base show when the iron is heating, when it's fully charged, and when it needs a recharge. Just return it each time you adjust a garment. It's that easy. The ceramic sole plate glides smoothly across each fabric. And it's great for crafting because there's no power cord to get in the way. With adjustable temperature and steam controls, you can handle it all. Break free from the power cord for fast, easy ironing. It's the Light & Go Cordless Steam Iron from Black+Decker.
Safety functions. The Panasonic Cordless Steam Iron is designed for safety and stability. Conventional irons are designed to stand upright, leaving the hot iron surface exposed. For this reason, it's easy to accidentally burn yourself or knock the iron off the ironing board. The Panasonic Cordless Iron rests stably on its power base, with the hot iron surface fully covered, greatly reducing the risk of accidents. Also, if you should leave the iron unattended, the auto shut-off function switches the iron off after 10 minutes. When you're finished, you can safely store the iron in its case immediately. No waiting for it to cool down. Designed for safety and stability. Panasonic Cordless Steam Iron.
Introducing an all-new hybrid iron designed to give you a choice of ironing either corded or cordless at the flip of a switch. The Sunbeam VersaGlide iron is the most innovative iron yet. Its one-of-a-kind operation provides the option to iron cordless. It's the only iron that adapts to your needs, so you can iron freely without the restriction of a cord, pressing garments quickly and conveniently. When placed in its base, the VersaGlide iron reheats to set temperature for seamless ironing. At any moment, you can comfortably switch to corded mode for when you want continuous heat for the best of both worlds. Experience the ease and versatility of the Sunbeam VersaGlide iron.
Experience the freedom of 360-degree quick cordless ironing with the Cordless 360 Freestyle Steam Dry Iron from Panasonic. Say goodbye to the twists and hassles of a power cord and welcome the freedom of cordless ironing with a 1500-watt steam dry iron, charging base, and carrying case. Make everyday ironing more effortless for smooth, evenly heated, multi-directional ironing with an easy glide, double-pointed ceramic sole plate. Ideal for frequent ironing tasks, the iron's super smooth, non-stick ceramic sole plate evenly distributes heat to the entire sole plate surface to easily handle a range of dry and steam heat settings. It also eliminates static, even at high temperature levels. The iron's built-in anti-drip system provides a long-life water seal inside the iron's body to prevent hot, unvaporized water leakage and protect your fabrics from water spotting. With the push of a button, the iron's vertical steam capability directs a full, powerful burst of steam through the sole plate. With a lightweight, detachable water tank, you'll never again have to take the entire iron to the sink for refills. Simply remove the tank, fill with water, and snap instantly back into place for fast, no-spill refills. An automatic anti-calcium system also helps prevent clogged steam vents by reducing sediment buildup in the vaporizing chamber of the iron. The transparent, heat-resistant carrying case can be easily snapped onto the charging base and iron after use for convenient storage. Experience the freedom of 360-degree quick cordless ironing with the Cordless 360 Freestyle Steam Dry Iron.